Your website is not just an online brochure anymore. Think of it as your hardest working employee. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on holidays. Its main job? To turn visitors into customers. This is what we call conversion. A high-converting website means more leads, more sales, and ultimately more growth for your business. If your website isn't converting, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. It's like having a shop open but no one at the till. You need those visitors to take action, not just browse and leave. Many businesses spend a fortune on driving traffic to their websites. They invest in SEO, pay-per-click ads, and social media marketing. But what happens if that traffic lands on a site that confuses them or doesn't guide them? They leave. All that effort and money goes down the drain. A low-converting website is a leaky bucket. You keep pouring water or traffic in, but most of it leaks out without filling the bucket, meaning sales. Fixing those leaks by improving your website's conversion rate is one of the smartest investments you can make. It means you get more out of the traffic you already have. Imagine 2 online stores selling similar products. Store A has a clunky website that's hard to navigate. Store B has a sleek, clear website that makes shopping easy. Even if Store A gets more visitors, Store B will likely make more sales because it converts a higher percentage of its visitors into buyers. This is the power of conversion. It's not just about getting people to your site, it's about what they do once they get there. A high-converting website is a powerful asset that directly impacts your bottom line and business success. So, what does converting actually mean? It can mean different things for different businesses. For an e-commerce site, a conversion is usually a sale. For a B2B company, it might be a lead form submission or a demo request. For a blogger, it could be an email newsletter sign-up. Whatever your goal is, your website needs to be optimized to achieve it. Without a clear focus on conversion, your online presence will struggle to deliver real, measurable results for your business in this competitive landscape. It's time to make your website work smarter, not just harder. First impressions count, especially online. When a visitor lands on your website, you have mere seconds to convince them to stay. A clean, professional, and trustworthy design is crucial. Think about it. Would you trust a messy, disorganized physical store? Probably not. The same applies online. Your website's design should look modern and be easy on the eyes. It should also be mobile responsive, meaning it looks and works great on all devices, desktops, tablets, and smartphones. More and more people are browsing on their phones, so this is non-negotiable. Good design builds instant credibility and makes people want to explore further. Next up are your headlines. Your headline is often the very first thing a visitor reads. It needs to be powerful. It must grab their attention immediately and clearly communicate what you offer and why it matters to them. A vague or boring headline will cause visitors to hit the back button without a second thought. Focus on the benefit for the user. What problem do you solve? How will their life be better after using your product or service? Use strong action words and keep it concise. A great headline makes people curious and encourages them to read more, pulling them deeper into your sales message. Then there's usability, or what I call smooth sailing. Your website must be incredibly easy to use. If visitors can't find what they're looking for quickly, they'll get frustrated and leave. This means clear navigation menus, logical site structure, and obvious calls to action like buy now, sign up, or learn more buttons. These should stand out and tell people exactly what you want them to do. Don't make them think too hard. Website loading speed is also a huge part of usability. A slow website is a conversion killer. Every second counts. These three elements, design, headlines, and usability, form the conversion trinity. They work together to create a seamless user experience that guides visitors towards your desired action. A beautiful design might attract them. A compelling headline might engage them, but poor usability can still make them abandon ship. Conversely, even with average design, a killer headline and super easy navigation can lead to fantastic conversion rates. Strive to excel in all three areas. This holistic approach is key to transforming casual visitors into loyal customers and achieving those high conversion rates you're aiming for. Let's look at a real-world example. Airbnb. When you land on Airbnb's homepage, it's immediately clear what they offer. The design is clean, featuring beautiful, aspirational images of travel destinations. The headline is usually simple and benefit-driven, like find a place to stay. The search functionality is front and center, making it incredibly easy for users to start planning their trip. They also use social proof, like reviews and host ratings, to build trust. Every element is designed to make you feel inspired and confident enough to book a stay. This focus on user experience and clear calls to action makes Airbnb a conversion powerhouse in the travel industry, guiding users smoothly from browsing to booking. Another fantastic example is Dropbox. Their early landing pages were masterpieces of simplicity and conversion. They often featured a very simple design, a clear headline explaining the problem they solved, like Your Files, Anywhere, and a short, engaging explainer video. The most prominent element was often a single call to action button, like Sign Up for Free. They understood that reducing friction and making the value proposition crystal clear were essential for getting signups. By focusing on one core message and one primary action, Dropbox was able to grow rapidly. Their success highlights how you don't need a complicated website to achieve high conversion rates. Clarity and focus are often more effective. What do these successful websites have in common? They understand their audience deeply. They know what their visitors are looking for and what problems they need to solve. Both Airbnb and Dropbox prioritize clarity. Their value proposition is immediately obvious. They use compelling visuals and persuasive copy that speaks directly to the user's needs and desires. Furthermore, they make it incredibly easy for visitors to take the next step. There are no confusing menus or hidden buttons. The path to conversion is clear, simple, and inviting for everyone who lands on their page. These examples prove that the principles we discussed, strong design, compelling headlines, and excellent usability, are not just theories. They are practical strategies that drive real business results. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Study what successful companies are doing. Notice how they structure their pages, the language they use, and how they guide users. You can apply these same principles to your own website, no matter your industry or business size, to start seeing significant improvements in your conversion rates and overall online performance. These companies continually test and refine their approach, and you should too. To wrap things up, building a high-converting website is not some dark art reserved for tech wizards. It's about understanding your visitors and making it easy for them to get what they need from you. We've seen that a strong, professional design builds initial trust and makes a great first impression. We've learned that powerful, benefit-driven headlines are essential for grabbing attention and pulling visitors deeper into your site. And crucially, we've established that excellent usability, including clear navigation and fast loading speeds, ensures a smooth journey towards conversion, preventing user frustration. These elements are the bedrock of online success. Remember the examples of Airbnb and Dropbox. They don't rely on flashy gimmicks. They succeed because they are crystal clear about what they offer and make it incredibly simple for users to take action. They focus on the user experience above all else. Their success demonstrates that by putting your customer first and applying these fundamental principles, you can significantly boost your website's performance. It's about making your website a helpful guide, leading visitors confidently to the solution they are seeking, which your business provides. This customer-centric approach is key. Building a website that truly converts is an ongoing process of learning, implementing, and testing. Don't feel overwhelmed by thinking you need to do everything at once. Small, consistent improvements can lead to big results over time. The journey to a high-converting website starts with a single step, and you can take that step today. Start by looking at your own website with fresh eyes, considering the points we've discussed. Think like a first-time visitor. What is their immediate impression? Is it clear what they should do next? So here's your first simple action step. Go to your website's homepage right now. Look at your main headline. Ask yourself, does it clearly and instantly tell a new visitor what your business does and what the primary benefit is for them? If it's vague, confusing, or all about you instead of them, take 15 minutes to brainstorm and write 3 new headline options. Pick the best one and update your site. This small change can make a real difference. Start there and keep improving. Your business will thank you.
Don't miss the next video from the Social Glue. Smash that like button, subscribe, and join our community. Got questions? Call 678-358-3680 or visit thesocialglue.com. Don't miss out, be part of the buzz.